Okay, this is how apparently across the street. I think you're supposed to run for it. Hey guys, so today's my last day at the Amari Hotel, and I'm gonna head over to the airport across the road and meet my new friend. And like I said, I hope she's not camera shy because well, I'm filming my trip, so yeah, maybe she's not gonna have a lot to say. And she's bringing her daughter, and I know they're gonna be nervous meeting the whitest white man ever. So anyways, yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. She seems like a really nice lady. We've been chatting for a couple months online, and so anyways, yeah, we'll just see what happens. And something else I'd like to touch on is this black outfit I am wearing to respect the king and his passing. I read online they requested foreigners to wear black, white, or gray for a 30-day period. And of course, I went out and bought all new clothes because I was bringing red, blue, and yellow stuff. So I'm all dressed in black, and let me tell you, coming from Canada, it's 33 degrees outside with 100% humidity, and I'm dressed in black. So anyways, we'll see how long that lasts. I like to be respectful because I am in someone else's country, and I would expect, you know, the same in my country. If we asked you to be respectful about something, then you know, we'd expect you to do it. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna sweat it out until we get to Hua Hin. We're catching a cab down there. My friend has a sister in town here, and she's hooked us up with a safe, reliable ride down to Hua Hin, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. I'll keep you updated. Thanks, guys. On the way to Hua Hin, and I found myself a couple of Thai ladies. So anyways, say hello. Kib, hello Kib. Hey guys, so Kib, her daughter, and I have made it to Hua Hin. And we got to our condo safe and sound. Took a while, traffic was bad. Man, these people drive. Whoa, can they drive? Anyway, so here's a view out the window from the condo at the end of the hall. And I'll show you my room before it gets all dirty and messed up. So this is the little condo we rented in Hua Hin. A little table, fold out futon kind of deal, bed, pretty nice. In here we have a little door closes on this kitchenette to preserve. It's got air conditioning here, so you can close this and saves on the AC. So we have a little kitchen in here. It's pretty nice actually. Enough room, microwave, fridge, bathroom, shower stall, and check it out, man. Ooh. Toilet paper. And of course we got the bum wand there, whatever they call it, if you want. And a little patio, not big enough to dry some clothes. And that's it. But I have to say, after renting a hotel, this here is awesome. This was through Airbnb, so I can only say at least a third the cost of renting a hotel through Airbnb, and got this awesome little condo all to myself. The girls have their own. I've got them set up down below in another room, and we're gonna head out later and check out the town. And this is how you cook a crab in Thailand.
ดีเป็นตา
We got Chef Kib working on my shrimp. Yummy. Oh, and some crab. That's how to open a crab.
Crab.
So I've learned a new word, and the word is full. Im. Because I am full.
Im.
Im.
Im lái.
Im lái.
Em có khắc. Khắc.
Back to the room, and as you've seen, me and the girls were out on the town. Wicked seafood dinner, fresh right out of the ocean. I've never experienced anything like that at all. I'm not a big seafood lover, but I love that. That was really good, except for the squid. Not big, it's kind of rubbery for my taste, but the other stuff was awesome. Crab and shrimp, and it was delicious. And then we went up for a walk up through the market. You saw all that because it was in the video. But anyways, yeah, awesome night, and thank you for watching another day in paradise with Glenn. Take care.